Geotechnical services in Mahipalpur play a crucial role in the construction and infrastructure development of the area. It is essential to understand the geological and geotechnical conditions of an area before starting any construction project. These services provide valuable insights into the soil composition, stability, and potential risks that may be encountered during the construction process. Mahipalpur, located in Delhi, is a rapidly growing area with significant development projects taking place. Geotechnical services in Mahipalpur are in high demand to ensure that the construction projects are carried out efficiently and safely. These services involve site investigations, soil testing, slope stability analysis, foundation design, and ground improvement techniques. By conducting thorough site investigations, geotechnical engineers can determine the suitability of the soil for various types of structures and identify any potential risks or challenges that may arise. One of the key aspects of geotechnical services in Mahipalpur is soil testing. Soil testing involves collecting samples from the site and analyzing them in a laboratory to determine their physical and mechanical properties. This information is essential for designing foundations, determining bearing capacities, and evaluating the overall stability of the site. Geotechnical engineers use various laboratory tests, such as sieve analysis, moisture content tests, and consolidation tests, to gather accurate data about the soil's properties. It involves assessing the stability of natural slopes or engineered slopes to prevent landslides or slope failures. Geotechnical engineers evaluate factors such as soil type, slope angle, groundwater conditions, and external forces to determine the stability of a slope. Based on the analysis, appropriate measures can be taken to reinforce or stabilize slopes to ensure the safety of structures and people. The growth of the area's infrastructure and building depend heavily on geotechnical services in Mahipalpur. A site's geological and geotechnical conditions must be understood before any construction work can begin. These services offer insightful information about the stability, composition, and potential dangers of the soil that could arise throughout the construction process. Mahipalpur, a neighborhood in Delhi, is quickly expanding and is the site of large development initiatives. Mahipalpur has a significant demand for geotechnical services to make sure that building projects are completed effectively and securely. These services include foundation design, site investigations, soil testing, slope stability assessments, and ground improvement methods. Geotechnical engineers can assess the suitability of the soil for various types of structures and spot any potential risks or difficulties that may occur by performing in-depth site studies. Soil testing is a crucial component of geotechnical services in Mahipalpur. In order to ascertain the physical and mechanical characteristics of the soil, soil testing entails taking samples from the site